Lovely start to the day here in sunny Scotland with these 12 superchargers, just ourselves in a fancy looking Model S, unlike us peasant types in the Model 3. Just getting a bit of a charge up before we move on to Castle Doune, movie location for Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Hello and welcome to another episode of Tesla Model 3 Adventures. Today we are in sunny Hamilton, well kind of near Hamilton in Scotland, on the Euro Central superchargers. Just finishing off topping up the battery before we go up to Doune Castle, up to Callander and the Trossachs in general. This is going to be the last supercharger we have until we get to Edinburgh, day after tomorrow, I think it is. Actually, is it tomorrow? Probably tomorrow. But at 86% as we are at the minute, that should give us enough miles to get through today and tomorrow. But anyway, we'll see how we get on as this day progresses, and hopefully, because I don't think we'll have another opportunity to charge today, we should be okay. Let's see how we get on. Morning.
Any questions, just let me know.
Brilliant, thank you. Do you recognise these arches then, Seth? Where all the ladies were? Zoot and whoever the other one is. Bad naughty Zoot. One day, lad, all this will be yours. Seth, it's your line. It's your line. What? The curtains? Right, Seth, we'll go see where John Cleese taunted them from round the corner somewhere. Up there, Seth. Up there. Parapet. Alright, so now we're in Callander after seeing Castle Doune. It's time is it? It's 10 to 1 in the afternoon. Since we set off from the supercharger, we have done 47 miles using 13 kilowatts of energy, or 278 watt hours per mile, and we are on 59%. So that's the state of the charge right now. We're going to have a walk around Callander. It's incredibly busy, but you'd expect it. It's a beautiful place, and it's a bank holiday Monday. Anyway, there we go. We'll see you after this little montage of Callander. Right, so we're back in the car, beautiful in Callander. Time to head to the next hotel now, which is in Cumbernauld. Currently on 57%. We've had Sentry mode on. Sentry mode's been on. We've got a fridge in the car with medicinal things in there to keep them cool, and when Sentry's on, 12 volt socket stays live, so it's good to keep things cool. It reckons that we will arrive at the hotel on 43%, which is fine. That'll take us overnight, and then Sentry mode overnight, and then tomorrow to supercharger just west of west of Edinburgh, I think. But off to the Kelpies tomorrow, and the Falkirk Wheel, But for now it's time to head back to the hotel, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. All the best. If you give us a thumbs up, that would be great, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. What's that, Seth? Key for what?
What?
A key for the charger?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Do we have to do anything with it? So you've been to the hotel, and where do we stick it?
It's
On the
plug
top?
point over there.
No, it's not. Is it? Really? Oh, no. Let's have a look at the
It's a
key.
triangle.
I've got a mask on, so I'm not sure if I'm audible or not, but let's have a look, see if this is, yeah, it's all done. So, and now, so I do the maintenance man a favour and power this down, so. Let's have a look. Big charger, that's the main one. In fact, let's have a look. Is it this one? Or this one? There we go. Right, job done. Incredibly helpful to have a rapid charger at a hotel. So if anybody wants to stay at a hotel with a rapid charger, this is the place to come. Doubletree Westerfield. Just unlock the charge port. Which is fantastic. Anyway, I'll unplug this and take the key back.